First time in Hyderabad, we are seeing a heavy rainfall. So my dear friends, today most part of the Hyderabad is getting drained out. Just look how the rainfall is going on. See. If the BHEL township is looking like this, then what about the city? What kind of situation is going on in the city of Hyderabad? Look at this. This year, Hyderabad recorded the highest number of rainfalls. Traffic is jammed in the cities. Roads are full of water. Waters are coming inside the houses in the cities. So I request to all the BHEL employees, please stay inside the home. Thank you.